Hello friends, I'm FlyLady Kat and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and finally learn to love yourself. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please watch my videos. If you like them, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will be giving you 3 new videos a week on YouTube, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Friday, you'll get a sample of my patron video, so you'll get a whole video from an older Patreon video that the patrons get. And on Mondays, we go live, and I'll be there to answer any questions that you might have. So subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. That'll be great. Okay, today we're talking about laundry. Laundry is a routine. That means it's something that needs to be done regularly. There are some things that I say about laundry, and one is if you haven't folded the clothes or hung them up and put them away, you haven't done the laundry. If someone is saying, I'm doing the laundry for you, and they put all the laundry in the washer and then in the dryer, and then they pile it up on the couch or the table or wherever, they haven't really done the laundry for you. They've let the machines do laundry, but the hard part of the laundry, the folding and the putting away, hasn't been done. In fact, it's been made harder because now those clothes are dried in a wrinkled state. So if you've left it in a cold dryer, left it and it's gotten cold in the dryer, or you have a stack of laundry somewhere, those clothes are probably going to be wrinkled. What I'd like you to start thinking about doing immediately is every new load you wash, number 1, don't overload your machine. Number 2, once your clothes are dry, get them out, fold them or hang them up and put them away. Number 3, if you've forgotten about your clothes in the dryer and they're cold, warm them up. It'll make them easier to fold and put away. Okay, now I want you to know that when you fold a load of laundry, it doesn't take as long as you think. So I'd like you to fold a load of towels, not a gigantic load, just a decent load of towels. Separate, this is my key, this is what I personally do, separate the bath towels from the face towels from the washcloths from the dish towels. Separate those all out and then fold each little stack. Time yourself to see how long it takes. I bet you it doesn't take as long as you think. I know we think it's like, oh, it's 20 minutes. No, it's not 20 minutes. It's just a few minutes. And put the clothes away or put the towels away. So take, in this example, your kitchen towels to the kitchen drawer and then go put all the rest of your towels either out in your bathroom if they need to be out, or maybe you've got some that need to be put out and some that need to be put away in the linen closet. Put them away. Or maybe you don't have to put any out. Put them all away. Okay? If you're finding that you're having a hard time putting them away, I'd like you to consider decluttering your linen closet. You probably have linens in there and towels that you don't ever use, or that are totally worn out, or that you think are too good to use, or you feel guilty getting rid of it because somebody gave it to you. I want you to shake loose from all those thoughts. Think about what's in there. What will you really use, and use it. The rest of the things, donate, throw away, or give away. Okay? Then you'll have room to put your things in. All right. Now, the laundry, when we're doing, so we've talked about towels, how to do towels. If you have a Mount Washmore, that's what FlyLady always called the big pile of clothes that need to be washed. I think it's so funny. Then you're going to separate those clothes into laundry loads that are manageable and that are like in some way. Some people sort by cloth texture, some people sort by color, some people sort by family member, some people sort by use. I personally sort by color, but you can choose anything that you like and sort that way. But sort the clothes into small piles or into a manageable pile, not a huge pile where you're just cramming it in the washer and cramming it in the dryer. Number 1, they won't get clean if they don't have room to move around in the washer. And number 2, they'll be drying in a ball in the dryer. When they finally do dry, they'll be wrinkled beyond recognition. So you want to have room in the washer and in the dryer for when your clothes are tumbling around. Okay? All right, so separate it into stacks. If you have a Mount Fold more, which is what I call that stack that usually somebody else did it for you, or you did it and just stacked it on a couch or on a table, and then your family just has to fend for themselves, pulling out their underwear and socks and shirts from this pile because you didn't ever get it folded and put away. then I'd like you to fold those clothes. Make an effort to get those clothes folded and put away. Again, if you're having problems putting the clothes away because there's no room, consider decluttering that space. So if it's your underwear drawer or your children's jeans drawer or whatever it is, consider decluttering. As you go to put things away, go through and pick out some things that don't need to be there and throw them away, give them away, or put them in another place if they don't belong there. Okay? Now that might not be something you want to do the same time you're folding all these clothes. If you know that's an issue already, go take care of that first and then start folding clothes. And you might not get it all done in one day. And that's perfectly okay because you have a life and you have to live that life. You have to make dinner and you have to wash children in the bathtub and you need to go to work and all these different things. But have it on your focus that you're going to get these clothes either washed and folded or folded from the Mount Foldmore state, okay? Don't think your children are too young to fold. If you're folding towels, then show your little ones a simple way to fold. If you try to be a perfectionist, let's say that you have always folded your towels into 3, so it's a long skinny strip and a long skinny strip, and then you fold it and fold it again, and it looks beautiful. But little kids can't fold like that, not even hand towels. So show them how to fold it in half, and then in half, and then in half. Just half it. They can do that. They can do that with their jeans. They can do that with their shirts. Try not to make it so difficult for them. That doesn't mean that you can't fold your personal towels that way that you want to use, maybe in your bathroom or whatever, but for the children's bathroom, they should be helping fold clothes. And when they're about 9 years old, you can teach them how to wash their own clothes. And if your child is 14 or 18 and you haven't taught them, now's the time. Okay? So, folding clothes and putting them away does not take very long, and it's such a pleasant task if the clothes smell sweet and clean, aren't wrinkled beyond recognition, and are warm. So let's say that you've washed a load of mediums, and in there were some of your tops, a pair of slacks that were medium colored. Maybe you have some medium colored socks in there, maybe some medium colored underwear, and you've got them all washed together. And you've got your kids in there and your husband's in there, and you've got just 2 or 3 things for each of you, so it makes a nice pile. So first thing you're going to do is, as you're getting them out, separate them. So when I wash clothes with my husband's clothes, I take his shirts and I fold on my master bed. So I lay them flat on the bed, one on top of the other. As I get to them, I lay his socks next to his clothes. I lay his underwear next to his clothes. I'm not necessarily folding them, I'm just laying the shirts flat and putting those little stacks together. And for mine, I do the same thing. I take my pants and shake them and lay them out. My husband, slacks and pants, he doesn't wear slacks. It doesn't even matter, but he wears shorts. That's what he wears. He's an amputee and he wears shorts. So his shorts get laid over there. I go ahead and fold the shorts because they're too quick to do. Half, lay them down. Anyway, I lay my blouses down, I lay my slacks out, I put my underwear in a pile, maybe I probably wouldn't have bras in that particular wash load, but if I did have some medium colored bras, they'd be there. And then I would begin folding. And now I put things that are folded away. I leave my husband's on the bed for him to put away. And if you have children, you can give them their clothes to put away and then inspect what you expect. Don't expect them to put them away without you going to check to see that they did, okay? And then I hang up my tops and put them away, and I hang up my slacks and put them away, and my husband hangs his own shirts up and puts them away. So that's the way I do it in my household, and when my children were little, I gave them their folded clothes until they were old enough to do their own laundry to put away. That is how you keep your house nice and tidy, and you don't have lots of Mount Foldmore, and everybody has clean clothes all the time. You have to do it on a schedule. So the schedule that I always used when I was taking care of a family was that we had towels twice a week. On Mondays, I did towels. On Mondays I did sheets, because sheets is on Weekly Home Blessing Hour. So Mondays are sheets, Tuesdays are towels, Wednesdays are lights, Thursdays are medium, Fridays are dark, and I usually did another load of towels on Saturday. I don't like to work on Saturday, but for at-home homemakers, but I did because it was just a load of towels. Wash it, dry it, fold it, put it away. It doesn't take long. Your only activity is folding and putting away, besides putting it in the washer, putting the soap on, pushing the button, moving it from one machine to the other. How hard is that? Okay, so I could get that done during breakfast. You know, they could be washed, but by the time breakfast is done, and then they can be in the dryer, and then I'll hear them beep, and I'll go take them out and fold them. That's the way I did it when I had a family to take care of. Now it's different that it's just my husband and I. So I sometimes do 4 loads in a day because we don't have that many clothes. And I can get that done while I'm working because I also work. When I was doing that plan I was telling you about, that's when I was at home taking care of my mother and father. So that's how I did it then. I had my mother, my father, me, and my husband. I washed all the clothes and towels and sheets for those. So when you come up with a plan, stick to your plan. So I had the plan on a sheet in the laundry room. So when I opened the laundry room cabinet to get out the soap, it said, oh, today is Monday, sheets. Whoops, let me go strip the beds. I forgot. Tuesday, towels. Okay, I'll do the Tuesday towels tomorrow. How am I doing on towels? Oh, I have a few. I'll get the rest out of the bathroom tomorrow. So you're always assessing your laundry. And I had baskets for the other things. The sheets are always on the bed or in the washer. The towels are in a laundry basket or hanging in the bathroom. And then everything else had its own basket. So that's an idea for you. Okay, so I hope this helps you. Make sure you always have detergent, softener, and anything else you want to use. Some people like bleach, some people like vinegar, some people don't like anything else. Some people use non-chemical whiteners that they can use on colors. Whatever it is that you need. That some people love the beads to make things smell nicer. Pick what you love. Have just that on your shelf. As you're getting low, put it on your list so that you always have a backup and you never run out of soap, of detergent, of softener, and anything else that you like to use. Okay, that's it for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any tips or tricks that you'd like to add, please put it in the comments below for people to see. And always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.